Hi, I'm Bill from LB Retro. Thanks for joining today. Today, we are going to be talking about the global shipping program. And yes, eBay has changed something, so I'm going to tell you all about it in the video. If you haven't subscribed today, please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the video. Thanks. Bye-bye. Right, what you need to do, you need to go to your listings in your selling hub. So you go to my eBay and then seller, and then on the left hand side you'll see these business policies. So you click on the business policies and wait for that to load. Now, just by chance, I was looking at this and cleaning up my policies because I had 7 items in one, 64 I think it was in another, couple on another, and I just want to do one policy for delivery, one policy for payment, and one policy for returns. So I just want to create, so if I have to edit anything, I can just edit one policy and it edits all my listings. It makes it so much easier for me. So that's what I was going to do. Now, when I went into the delivery and you went to edit over here, I found something about the global shipping program. I was amazed. Because before this wasn't on this page, it was in settings within eBay about the global shipping program. So I didn't think nothing of it. I thought that was enabled. Now, it was only by chance I was updating these policies and I looked into here. And if you could see this little tick box here, send to UK Shipping Centre, global shipping program, that was unticked on majority of my items. So I didn't know this. This must be something they've enabled recently, within the last few months. I didn't know that was unticked. So make sure you tick that box. Go in your global shipping and tick the box and press save. I'm absolutely amazed with this. eBay changes all these bloody things in the background. Us resellers have to pick up the pace, and they don't tell you the changes. It really, really winds me up. We lose out mega money because of eBay. It just winds me up. So my tip today is have a look at that bloody business policy. It's a pain in the butt, I know. I'd say just make sure you put all your listings all under one payment, one postage, and one returns. It's just simple. Then you just can then go in there and delete. You can just edit all your listings all in one business policy. It just makes sense. Now we just have to suffer this, I know, but it's one of the things. I had to do 69 listings tonight. Copy paste, edit, add, and also the app. Don't bother using the app. I know it's good and that, but it's a pain in the butt. If you've got a desktop computer, use the desktop, because eBay has got so much that's not in the app that you have to do on the desktop or via the web. There's just no point unless they're going to put the full interface, the full policies, everything on the app. There's no point using it. I think it's a bane of my life at the minute, because Lucy and I have listed a few things on the app and they don't add the things you want, like best offer. It doesn't add it. The right business policy, honestly, nightmare. So get in there, edit all your auctions, make sure they're all right. I hope you like this video. I know it's a small one, but I thought it's a must that you find out about this, because I didn't know anything about it. It's probably been months and I didn't even know. No wonder we haven't been getting global shipping program sales. I used to get tons months and months ago. I got tons of them, and Lucy said the other day, she only said, have you checked global shipping program, because we haven't had any sales? That made me think, let's look into this. So what a nightmare. But hey ho, we've got it sorted and we're back on the global shipping program. But oh, if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. That does help us out. Comment below. Um, give us your comments on the things that you've had. I might feature you, your comment, and your suggestion in a new video. I get some ideas from you, the viewer. So you let me know, and I can let everyone else know. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I do all sorts of reselling hints and tips like this one. I try and keep you up to date with things, and we have a laugh on the way as well with the live chats at 10 a.m. on Saturday with me and Lucy, and sometimes the kids. Thanks very much. I really appreciate it. See you soon. Bye bye.